Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you an updated tour of the Coral Sea Water World rooms. Now this is an updated room, this is a refurbished room. There's quite a lot in the hotel that they've changed. As you know by now, it's my favourite place in the world. I've got a den room, like with the things, and it's also got a jacuzzi bath outside, so look at that. How incredible is that? I'm right next to the Mermaid restaurant. I'm literally going to be dumping my bags and going for some amazing lunch in a minute, but let's show you this room. So as usual, we will start from the entranceway as you come in. So you come into the room, and I'm going to take you to the room first and the bathroom afterwards because I think this is so stunning. Look at this, how gorgeous. They've got really lovely like wicker lamps at the side of the bed here, which is gorgeous. Your lovely area to put all your things on and electricity. The most massive bed I could imagine. How lovely are these? Oh, they're really, really soft as well. Let's do the quick knuckle test. Don't forget it's trademarked. I'm going to love sleeping in this bed tonight. I've got enough towels here to definitely get me through the next couple of days for my swimming. Telephone at the side of the bed here. And another lamp. Great area for sitting and journaling. I didn't actually bring my journal. Hopefully we've got paper and pen somewhere. Probably. I might ask for some of that so I can just sit and write a few bits while I'm sitting here. So then this room also closes off like this. So if you've got children, then they can stay here. There is a telly in this room as well for them. And this will be made up as a bed if you're using it. Obviously, I'm not using it. So and then this is the way that we go out to the veranda, the jacuzzi. Now you see now this is in the shade. This is what we call the shady side. I always recommend you stay the other side, which is called the sunny side. But they wanted to give me the jacuzzi room so I can show it to you guys on YouTube. Now this is not a sponsored video. This is not a gifted trip, but I just blooming love this place. So if I feel like I'm raving about it, you know that it's a genuine thing that I'm saying. So let's, what have we got here? So we've got a TV. I never tend to watch those. Got some tea and coffee. Oh, and it says Nescafe, which I'm happy about. Some normal black tea, some creamer, mugs and a kettle, and 2 bottles of water upon arrival. There's a fridge there. I don't know if there's anything in it. No, there isn't. I think they've learned now that you get to that stage where if they put things in it that they're going to charge you for, you just end up taking them out or not using them. Some nice drawers, an area there where you can sit and do your makeup. A room service menu. Now the laundry is still £20, been £20 for years, and I've heard it's a really, really good service. That's nice. A little note on how to stay healthy and sunstroke. Like the air conditioning, for example, if you have that on all night, it's not going to help. This is absolutely lovely. I love the lighting. Look at the sort of LEDs around the bed there. Oh, amazing. Okay, let's get into, before we get into the bathroom, I notice, what do you see? What do you see? I see a robe. Oh, love that. Love that for me. A little robe. Extra blanket. Don't think I'll need it, but we'll be turning the aircon off. Oh, 1 second. That's about my reservation. Okay, that was a good news phone call. I've managed to get into the Italian restaurant, which is great. So look at this. How stunning is that aesthetic? So you've got a very big mirror there. All of these lovely, and they are actually really nice, these body lotions and things. They're really good. There's shampoo, shower gel, soap, shaving kit, dental kit, tissues. Do you know what I mean? And then you've got areas there to put your things down. You've got a little hand towel there already. There is a hairdryer and one of those mirrors that makes you look awful. Telly, toilet, and then there's a shower over the bath and an actual bath and an area there. I can't see, oh, there's my bath towels up there, so there's plenty spare and somewhere there to hang it on. So what do we think of this room? What have I missed? Oh, there's slippers under there, didn't see those. That's incredible. Little bin. Oh, it's just wonderful, it's just wonderful. So I can't get enough of this place, clearly, because I've been time and again, and it's just beautiful. I think that's going to be the thumbnail for my picture. I hope that this has been helpful to you. There will be a full tour of the resort, updated. I'm going to do that tomorrow morning at sunrise. So I'll watch the sun come up first, then I'll go and do my tour. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it's been helpful. Don't forget to do all the things and definitely come back and watch the other videos. So I'll see you next time. Bye for now. what they've done. They've just delivered me some fruit and a little like really cute, actually I love that plate. Oh my god, that's lovely. I've been summoned to the spa. They're ready for me to go and film them, and I was like, okay, I wanted my lunch, but never mind. So we're gonna go to the spa now, and then it's gonna be lunch straight after that, and then I'm gonna get changed and I'm gonna go chill out somewhere sunny and gorgeous.